I don't know if you can see him. There he is. Asleep.
We're in SM.
Yeah, we're at SM. Where? SM, which SM?
Huh?
What SM are we at? Yeah, I know, but what mall are we at? Basically, we're at Quezon City, Fairview, SM right now. We're getting something to eat. So, yeah. Basically, my brother's there getting something. Oh, he's getting something. So, I went to get some lunch. So, yeah. And he ordered like sushi or something. That's what my brother has. Jeez. Handsome boy, oh, that's my brother over there, man. Yeah. Jamaya got her.
What is this?
That's vinegar, I think. Okay. We got soup. My brother got that. And of course I got ribs. So yeah, just left Fairview, Quezon City, SM. With my bro there. You know what I'm saying? Mommy, that little one sleeping. And guess who else is sleeping? Typical Filipino.
Ate? Papa, malapit na birthday mo pa. Ano handa mo?
Andin sila.
Ha, pa?
Malapit na, Papa.
Ay, ano ka, i-cater ka daw ni Chris Ray.
Ano ibig sabihin na ano? Florida?
Ano Lopida?
Florida, yung Lapida.
Pruwelda.
Florida.
Yawa.
Di ba nga si Harold yung namatay, Pruwelda?
Ano ko naman, G?
Sino?
Bruh, I'm at Blackpink at my auntie's restaurant in Philippines. Check it out, it's in Bukawi, Wakas, you know what I'm saying? Hey. The whole family's here, so yeah, check it out, bro. You get me? Shamalia. I'm recording. Aray!
Taragis ka. Nagulat ako, sabi ko, parang si Tutio.
Ito yung gwapo kong pinsan.
Let's go! Let's go, Lakers!
Don't say that.
Golden State.
Better.
Wala nang Golden State, Kanto G's.
Nakita rin dahon.
Buti pa yung Phoenix ko, pangat ng pangat.
Happy birthday, Papa Al! Ah, kuya.
Walang butter dyan? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Ayan, tita. Ayan dia.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! You and
Pati ang bayan dito.
Sana sa birthday ko dito din.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Hello, Daddy. Dalawang taon na lang, may ID ka na.
Daddy!
Ah, it's hot as hell.
Adjol ka na dito.
Ay!
It's Mama's last day.
Baba ka na dito.
And then she's gonna fly to Philippines. Fly back to London.
Ngayon na,
So yeah,
ngayon na.
yeah. Sorry, I didn't finish off the vlog yesterday, but yeah.
Halika na.
There's Mama. Mama's last day today, going back to London. So yeah,
Len!
freaking boiling as hell. You know. So yeah. Peace.
Sino si Papaan?
Kumain
Ayun,
na.
nauna na yun. Hindi pwedeng maghintay matagal na.
Yun o. Taba, nanay.
Sige, lamon.
Lamon lang si Princess.
Angang.
Ay, mangang.
Princess, galit ka sa amin?
Ay, mangang.
Mga talaga sila.
Napakaanghang ang sinigang.
Ay, kahapon pa yan. Ininit hindi na kain. Nagsili talaga magagalit na.
Ay, Rainer, yali ka na, tumabay ka na kay Kuya Chris Ray mo.
Magdala ka ng sarili mong pagkain.
Yung ba ko, ma? Isang pangit ko pinsan. Ang gwapo yan. Madami chicks yan. Mama. Mama's flying back to London. Back to London. And Mama's going back home, and I'm still here stuck in Philippines anyway. So yeah, we still got another long weeks to stay in Philippines. So you hear me? Anyway, we see you later. So guys, we're at McDonald's in
At 1 o'clock.
At 1 o'clock in the morning. Getting some food.
So early.
Yeah. So yeah. Going for food, some food trip and everything. So and Ate just wrote something on the piece of paper. To put on the wall.
Put it on the wall. You should show them. Put it on the wall.
Da, 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 da. She's loving it. Look at her food tripping, and it's like about what? 1:30, something in the morning. And look, this boy is still awake. Mommy's still there as well. and our food is just there waiting. So yeah. Oh yeah, and you know, obviously we bought McDonald's, and you know we don't have these in UK, London. No one can do it better than Philippines. You know why?
Yeah.
You see what I'm talking about. What? When will you ever see a chicken in McDonald's?
Wow.
Chicken with rice with gravy. What are you saying?
What are you saying?
That's what I'm saying. Philippines is the best. You know what I'm saying? Look, chicken. Chicken with the rice. Rice, what it says. There you go, see? It says plain rice. Plain rice. So guys, just want to say good night. I had a long day today. We dropped my grandmama to the airport. I drove from the airport to here. It took almost 2.5 hours because it's Holy Week, so it's going to be mad traffic, and obviously everyone's trying to get back to the province or holiday somewhere, you know what I mean? So it was hard, tiring, but at the end of the day we're back home, back in the hotel. So but yeah, no, it's the second hotel, it's the third hotel, so that's the move right there. My car is there. So anyway, good night y'all, God bless, and I'll see you lot soon. Still got more weeks still here back home, so I want to enjoy as much as I can, because I'll probably end up coming back again next year, but it's still planning. But yeah, but anyway guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, put your notification on. Don't forget to ring that bell so you can see mostly all the videos that I'm popping up. So yeah, Wolfpack out, baby. Good night.